Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Let's get started with this skating clip, and the best part is this kid is only 9 years old. And this clip is of sperm whale carcass that washed up on the shore of Faroe Islands, exploded after scientist Barney Mickelson makes an incision into it. This is how elephants give high five.
I'm sorry, guys, you have to be on a bike.
We are on a bike.
I'm sorry, you have to be in a car. You can't take it on a bike.
You said a bike though, I have
Like
it
if you
on
back
proof.
on car, you have to be on aircraft. And that small dog is like, what's up, bro?
Oh my god. Wee.
This guy is having first day on job and last. A lady was kayaking and suddenly a huge whale decided to taste her, but whales can't swallow larger bodies, so she spitted her out. Just missed it.
On your face.
Beauty.
This is my childhood memory. Was yours too? Let me know in comments. Check out how weird this moment was. And this bear is having salmon for snack. And today's fun fact is this is E69, the last road in the world. It connects the end of the earth and Norway. Walking or driving alone here is prohibited. Only a group of people can do it. Road trip here is heavenly. Everyone must try it. And thank you so much guys for watching my videos. Please keep supporting, keep sharing and subscribing my channel. Thank you so much.